You could call it a list. It's technically not a list. A list means something else in C++ or just in programming in general, but you can think of it kind of like a list of numbers. Or you could think of it as like a grocery list. So you're going to have several different items within your list. So for example, if it's a list of numbers like your scores, so this is the first student score, the second student score, third student score. And if you have 30 students, it's 30 student scores. If you have 5,000 students, it's 5,000 student scores. If you have a grocery list, you have maybe 54 items. Well, actually, Jesus, that's a lot of items. Let's say like 23 items on your grocery list. That seems more reasonable. That's what you're going to buy. So that's 23 items. You have to, as part of a static array, which is what we're discussing right now, you have to define what's the maximum amount of items you can have in your list. And you have to do that from the start. Okay, you have to do it with a constant, or you have to do it with a literal. Literal means just the actual number, or you can do it with a constant. You can't use a regular variable. I think on here you can use a regular variable, but you're not supposed to. Just know you have to use a literal. Okay, use a constant or a literal.